Okay, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to put a SS Camaro in launch control. Camaro has a nice feature which shows you your tire pressure, and it also tells you the temperature of your tires. So it's green, so it's letting you know that your tires are warm, so you get a good launch when you do take off. You have a mode button right here. When you push the button, you got 4 different modes: touring, sport, track, snow and ice. So you want to make sure that it's either in sport or track mode. You want to double tap your traction control button. Put your foot on your brake as hard as you can and floor the gas pedal. When you're ready to go, release the brake and you're gone.